Hello, my name is Chris, and today we're going to be talking about remotely auditing your quality processes within Plex to comply with the IATF 16949 audit standards. New requirements of remote auditing within IATF have been proven to be difficult for many of companies. Within Plex, we make that very easy for you and your team to do so. A couple of ways we help to achieve that is with our unlimited user license model. We can actually extend access out to your auditors and provide them auditor profiles with limited security so they can see exactly what you want to show them within your business. Getting into our document control system here, this offers you a place to store and manage all of your documents within your environment. You can break them down by folders, by department, and associate your associated standard operational procedures or work instructions within here. Revision control and approval management is built into the product to make it very easy and seamless to manage your documentation. With our built-in audit and compliance solution as well, we can actually have the entire IATF compliance standard within Plex and identifying each line of the specific requirement of how your company is in compliance. We can set up review steps and audits to make sure that you're perpetually in compliance year-round. Hopefully this helps to show you how Plex can help you remotely audit your business under the IATF 6949 standard. Thanks.